Hey friends, welcome back. It's Kuradal Ain Shabir here from Web Creators, and today we're diving into something super fun. Remember that talking AI avatar we made earlier? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make it even cooler by adding natural hand movements and smooth lip sync. And the best part? You can do it totally free. No fancy software needed. Just relax, follow along, and by the end you'll have an avatar that looks more alive than ever. Let's jump in and make this awesome together.
So firstly, what you're going to do, you're going to go to the URL section and you're going to search for heijin.com home. Now, I've written the address itself. The link will be provided in the description for easy access. Then this sort of page will appear if you have signed up or logged in. If you haven't, then you've got to sign up to access its features. Now, since this is a part 2 of our avatar creation, so I'm jumping directly to the hand movements of our avatar. Now, if you haven't watched part 1 of my video in which I tell you how to create your avatar, make the backgrounds, etc., all the necessary items, the link will be provided in the description and a card will be shown as well. So you can go to that after watching this. So firstly, I'll go to the avatar section and I'm going to click on create new avatar. Now you're going to choose photo avatar, which is the second option, and you're going to click on upload photo if you have the photo. If you don't have it, you can design with AI, but I have the photo, so I'll upload it. So I quickly upload it and meet you then. Okay, so I've uploaded my image and I don't have the same image which I used for my other video, so I have uploaded a new image. Now you're going to click on upload right here and we are going to wait for a few seconds because it's checking out if this is the perfect image required. Now click on continue and then all you have to do is you're going to name your avatar. So I'm just going to name it Amelia. Now I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on continue. So now here this page will appear. You can either choose a voice for me or you can add a voice, but we can also change our voice if you don't like it later. So I'm going to go for choose a voice for me. Now you're going to click on this and you're simply going to click on add motion option right here. Now go to the custom prompt and add something else if you need. If you don't want to, you can simply click on generate looks from here. So I'll quickly write the prompt and I'll meet you then. So I've written the prompt and the prompt will also be provided in the description, so you can access it from there. Now you're going to go for motion engine and you're going to choose the best model available for you and for your needs. I usually use Runway Gen 4 because it is mainly used for the hand gestures, and we are basically going for the hand gestures right now. Now click on generate looks. Now you're going to wait for a few minutes and then our motion preview will be generated of this image. So let's wait. So till this is being done, I just wanted to show you about my website that I created about a month or 2 back, and I wanted to give you a preview. So I have created this website and here you can view my work. I'll show you the whole thing. Yes, so here is my website. If you know anybody who needs a graphic designer or a web developer or something like that, you can go and tell them about my website. My website's address will also be provided in the description if you want to go and check it out. The name's visionstack.greatsite.net. So as you can see, it's still being done, so let's wait. Oh, done. Now let's see the preview. So as you can see, there are no blurry things and everything is just perfect the way I wanted it to be. You can change the voice according to your avatar, so we'll change it later. If you do not like the way it does this, you can go and regenerate and do the same process again. You can also add sound effects, but I don't want that. Now directly go for edit look. Directly go to create with AI Studio. If you're making an avatar for an Instagram reel or YouTube short, you will go and choose portrait. But if you're going for a YouTube video, choose landscape. So here it is. Now as you can see, it is saying no script. So we'll quickly type our script and I'll meet you then. Alright, so I've put it a short prompt for our more like a script for what my avatar would say. Now you can make it as long as you want. It doesn't have any limits, and you can change after you're done. If you have the audio, you can click over here and upload the audio from here, but I've written the text, so it doesn't really matter. Now if you want to change the voice, go ahead and click over here and choose these two arrows option, and you'll be redirected to this page. Now click on Agent Library and choose the best one you like. So I'll listen to them and we'll see which suits best. Sorry. So I've chosen Nearly because its voice sort of seemed to, combine with my avatar's voice. Now if you want to listen to a preview, you can click over here, and if you want to see the hand gestures just before, you can click over here without the lip sync, because it will do the lip sync again. So as you can see, that looks so real, so professional. Now after you're done with all the changes you want, click on generate. Now title your video to whatever you want. I'm going to write talking avatar, and I'm going to click on submit. Now it's submitting. It will take a few minutes to create it. As you can see, it's already 8% ready. Let's wait till it gets 100%. So now our avatar has been created. Let's go check it out. So as you can see, that was awesome. Now you can click on download if you want to download it, and you can share it from here. And there are multiple options you can choose from. Now let's download it and click on download, and boom, it's downloaded. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and click on